Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix. Today, we're starting a new tutorial, how to return to the default Theme Roku TV. Press Home. Scroll to Settings and press OK. Scroll to Theme and press OK. Scroll to Browse Themes and press OK. Scroll to your current TV theme and press OK. Select to revert to default theme and press OK. The theme has been returned to its default settings. Press Home to return to the Home menu. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.